Hello, I'm Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert, and Adore Beauty have set me a challenge, a full face of makeup for under $50. So if you want to see how I've created this look really quickly using just 3 products for under $50, stay tuned. Now I do want to say that it is a challenge, right? I've been a makeup artist for 18 years. I'm a little bit spoiled, right? I have access to lots of incredible products, but I'm always on the hunt for those little gems that are affordable, but also high performance, do what they say they're going to do so that it's easy, foolproof, and successful for you as well. Let's do it. So full face says to me, we need to have some form of foundation on there. For step 1, I'm choosing the Luminous foundation from DB, Designer Brands. It is vegan, it's beautiful and luminous, it has skin-loving ingredients in it, all the things that tick the boxes for me. Glowing coverage, love it. Just a habit, I always put a pump of this onto the back of my hand. You can work straight from the straight from the back of your hand with your fingers, like so. So you're not over applying product, you're not using too much product. The more product you put on mature skin, the more there is to sit in the crinkles. And then just using a brush to sort of stipple the product in first. So we're just going to even that out. Product number 1, done. So multitasking your products is going to be the key to getting a full face under $50. And I really dig these. It's the Creamy Satin Lip Crayon from DB Cosmetics. I'm using the color 2 Nude. I'm going to use this for my eyeshadow, my cheeks, and my lips. What I also love about this look for under $50 is you're using 3 products and you're out the door, Speedy Gonzalez. So let's give it a go. I'm just going to put a little bit on my lids, right? Just a little bit, just to give them a bit of color. A little on my cheeks, a bit of blush, and then load up my lips. So we're going old school. There is absolutely zero reason why you can't use your lipstick as a blush. And then we're going to do, because I cannot cope without mascara. So this is the Designer Brands Center Stage Curl and Volume Mascara, which is my 3rd product in my full face for under 50 notes. So load up your lashes. Don't be scared. I think there might be a little bit of a hangover stigma from, geez, maybe when my mum was a teen, that only a certain type of girl wore a lot of mascara. We need to let that go, girlfriends. We need to let that go. Anyway, this mascara is phenomenal, right? You don't need that extra curl because it does it for you. And look how long it makes my lashes look. It's a really good mascara. There you go. How's that? We've got 3 products, actually all from DB Cosmetics, Designer Brands. We've got mascara, we've got foundation, and a lip crayon that's doubled as an eyeshadow and a blush. There is my full face challenge accepted for under 50 notes. So if you've enjoyed this little video, this little bit of how-to with some budget buys, then please like and subscribe and drop us a comment below. Let me know what part you loved or what would you like to know more about. What are your favorite budget buys? I'm Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert, and I look forward to seeing you all here on Adore Beauty again soon.